Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to be looking at some of the best keyword research tools. So let's get straight into it. Tools make the whole process of finding and checking keywords much easier and faster. Here are some of the most helpful keyword research tools that are currently available. SEMRush. This is one of the best research solutions for SEO, social media, advertising, backlinks and more. They have many tools available when it comes to SEO and research, including domain analytics, keyword analytics, and so much more. But for this example, we are just going to look at the keyword analytics section. So I'm going to go to the keyword magic tool and then simply enter in a keyword. I'm just going to use their free example keyword of buy books, so that will automatically enter it for me. So it will now research that particular keyword and any related keywords to it. You will see the volume for your keyword. So with the trend, you will see whether it's currently going up or down in relevance. Now this is quite steady, so it's a good keyword, and so is this one. And then we have the keyword difficulty percentage, which goes from 1% to 100%, 1 being the easiest to rank for that keyword, and 100 meaning it's difficult to rank for that keyword. Next we have the cost per click. So if there are ads above search results in a particular search, these are from Google Ads, and this is the cost per click that the advertiser is paying. So we have a range from $7 here to only 54 cents just here. So this can range quite a lot, but usually the more somebody is paying means the more they will be making from that particular advertisement. And then we have competitive density. This is another type of ranking difficulty, but this is mainly for advertisements. And then we have the SERP features, which is the number of features that appear in search results for a given keyword. Now the SERP stands for search engine results page, so that is very important for you to remember. And then finally we have the amount of results that will show if you type this particular keyword into Google. So for this first one there are 306 million, but for the second one there are 13.6 billion. This is usually different based on the niche that you are creating content within. So now you can click onto one of these keywords and you will get more specific information for that particular keyword. So you can upgrade to Pro if you want to for some more information, but for this example we're just going to be using the free version. Now on here of course you can change the country, the device, the date and the currency. So then we have organic and paid search details just here, the cost per click distribution, the trend for this keyword. So as you can see, it's currently just average. And then we have keyword suggestions. How many there are 47,000 for this particular keyword. So that means there are quite a lot of keywords, which are also relevant to this one. There is absolutely tons of information for you to look at on this tool. So if you keep scrolling down, we have phrase match keywords related to the keyword I originally put into the tool, which was buy books. So you can look at the full report and see all 47,000. And then we have related keywords as well. There are 8,000 of these. You can view them all by clicking here on View Full Report. Below that we have organic search results for this particular keyword. And then we have ad copies as well. Keep scrolling down, we have ads history, the amount of ads that have appeared for this keyword in the past. And then that is all of the information you will see for each and every keyword. So there is a lot for you to take in here. I must say the main information is on the magic tool. So you don't have to click onto these keywords because all of the important information is just here. When you click onto these keywords, you get much more very specific information, which is only needed if you know exactly what you're looking at, because otherwise it can get quite overwhelming and complicated. The next tool we will look at is Ubersuggest. This SEO tool covers keyword research, content idea generation, backlink data, and more. So here is Ubersuggest. We are going to focus on the keyword research side of things, just to keep things simple, but this tool does have a lot of other functions as well, as you can see just here. So let's enter the same keyword once again, and then once you've entered your keyword, select your country and language, and then click search. Close any pop-ups if you don't want to see them. And here we have all of the keyword information for this particular keyword. So we have the search volume, the SEO difficulty, the paid difficulty, which is for ads, and the cost per click, which is of course once again the amount that advertisers pay per click for this particular keyword. In order to see more search volume, you'll have to sign in, but we can scroll past that for now as it's not too important for what we're going to be doing. And then you have information on how many people click onto SEO results after searching this particular keyword. And then we also have the age range for the people that search this keyword as well. So this is very detailed information for you to be looking at. After this, we have keyword ideas, and you can view all of them just by clicking this button here. You'll get the trend for each keyword, which is the search volume amount. You'll get specific search volume numbers, the cost per click data, the paid difficulty, and also the SEO difficulty at the end just here. Remember, 100 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. So these ones in green will be easier to rank for compared to these ones in orange. But it's important you look at the numbers. Anything below 30 will be reasonably easy to rank for, and anything over 70 or 80 will be quite difficult to rank for. So that's quite important to look at. But other than suggestions, you can also look at related keywords. As you can see, these are all related. You can look at questions, prepositions, and also comparisons. So you get many different keyword ideas within this tool. And then finally, we have content ideas. This shows you the different articles people have written using these keywords. And then we have the estimated visits per article just here, the backlink data for these articles, the Facebook and Pinterest shares as well. Once again, click this button to view all of the content ideas. And if you want to have a more in-depth look into any of these pages, simply click onto them and then you can look at each of them. But we don't need to do that right now. So this is the main information at the top just here, the search volume and the SEO difficulty. These are the key things you want to be looking at. And then if you scroll down a bit more, the keyword ideas are quite important as well. If you are stuck for ideas, these are very, very helpful. So you can look at these suggestions or any other types of these keyword ideas just here, and then click view all keyword ideas to view the rest of them. As you can see, once they load, here you go. So these are all of the other keyword ideas based around the keyword buy books. So that is Ubersuggest. Next we have MarketGoo. This is an SEO auditing platform which also has a useful keyword research tool which is very easy to use. So here is MarketGoo. In order to access the keyword research tool, you want to sign up and then go to the settings page. And on here, you want to go to manage your keywords and then simply click on the search keywords button. From here, you want to type in your keyword. You can enter up to 3 for better results. But once again, I am just going to enter the keyword buy books. And then once you've typed in your keywords, click the search button. Now, usually you get quite a few different results, but for this one, I have just got 3. So there's 3 different results here, along with the search volume for each of them and the ranking competition as well. So red means it will be difficult to rank for, and green means it will be easy. And then some of them also have an orange bar, which means there is medium search difficulty. And then of course, we also have the search volume, which will be different for each of your keywords. Now, because I didn't get many results, I'm going to enter another one right now, just so you can see what it looks like when there are more results on here. So I'm going to enter organic tea and then click search again. And here you go. So there are many different options for you now on here. So you have keywords along the left, search volume in the middle, and the ranking competition or ranking difficulty on the right just here. So red means there is a high ranking competition for this keyword, orange means it is medium, and then if there is a green one, it means it is easy to rank for that keyword. Maybe not easy, but just easier than the others. So that is the MarketGoo keyword research tool. Next we have keywordtool.io. This is an easy to use keyword research tool which works with multiple search engines including eBay, YouTube, Google and more. As you can see right here, this is the tool. So you can select the search engine you want to find keywords for. So you have Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, Play Store, Instagram and Twitter. There are loads of different search engines that this works with, but we are going to use Google in this example. So I'm going to enter organic tea and then click search. And without paying, this is the information you will get. So you have keyword suggestions, questions, and also prepositions. And then if you want to see the search volume, the trend, the cost per click, and the competition data, you will need to sign up for a pro account. But if you want to use this to just find keyword ideas, this is great for a free tool. So you get related keywords, absolutely loads of them, to the original keyword that you entered. And then you also get questions. As you can see, there's loads there. And then prepositions as well. So this is a great tool for finding new keywords for loads of different search engines. So if I want to use YouTube right now, I'll use YouTube and then click search. And then there you go. We have loads of different keyword suggestions, questions, prepositions, and also those hashtags as well. But that is mainly for Instagram and Twitter. If I want to use Amazon, simply click on Amazon and then it will load all of the keyword suggestions for Amazon. Once again though, you will need a pro account in order to see the search volume and other keyword data, but you still do get to see the keywords here, so that is an important thing to think about. So this is a great tool for finding new keyword ideas for all of these different search engines. So this is keywordtool.io. Next we have the Google Keyword Planner. This is Google's own keyword idea generation tool, which is free to use with a Google Ads account. So here it is. You can use it to discover new keywords. So enter your keyword. And I suggest unticking include brand names in results. So do that. And then enter your country and language. And then click get results. Here you will see loads of new keyword ideas, along with the monthly search data, competition data, more competition data, but that's based on a completely different scale, mainly for advertising, so only look at that for ads. So the only information that is important for keyword research is the keywords, the monthly searches, and the competition just here. All of this other information, if you don't want to see it, just click on this columns button just here, and then click modify columns. Now you can tick or untick different data based on what you want to see. So if I don't want to see this, or this, or this, or even this, untick them and click apply. And now you will just get the information that you want to see. So it's that easy. If you want to download the keywords, click download up here. If you want to sort the keywords in any way, you can. You can sort them by the amount of monthly searches. So here we have highest first, and then if we click it again, we'll have lowest first. And then you can also sort it by competition data as well. So all of these have high competition. But if I click it again, all of these have a low search ranking competition. So this is an absolutely awesome tool created by Google. You can use it to view monthly searches, competition data, and also to find new keywords for your content. Next, we have Answer the Public. With this tool, you will instantly get suggested content ideas based on the keyword that you enter into the tool. So here we have it just here. We have a funny little video on the background. If you want to pause it, just click on it like so. Select your country and your language, enter your topic, brand or product, basically your keyword, and then click search. So I'll enter organic tea once again. There we go. And then I'll click search. And here we'll get questions, propositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, and related keywords, all relevant to the original keyword organic tea that I entered into the tool. So now if you scroll down, you will see all of the data. You can view it like this in this weird sort of graph, or you can just view it in a data column like this, which is quite easy to read. So these are all questions, and these are all prepositions. There we go. And then here we have comparisons. View the data like this. You can read all of these, of course. And with any of these, you can view the image or hide them. It's all up to you. Hiding them does require a pro account, but you don't really need to hide them anyway, so it doesn't matter. And then if you want to view it as an image, simply click the image button. And then there you go, you have an image, which is right there in front of you. And then keep scrolling down, we have alphabeticals. So this is each of the keywords, but beginning with each letter of the alphabet. That's what alphabeticals are. So you have A, B, C, all the way down. And if we scroll past that, we finally have related keywords. And if we view this as data, these are all good for content ideas because they are keywords related to the original keyword that I entered. but absolutely all of this data is helpful as you are finding keywords relevant to the original keyword you entered, and the questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, and related keywords are all very helpful when you're trying to create new content or just rank content you have already created. So that is Answer the Public. Next, we have the Reddit Keyword Research tool. This is a tool that takes active keywords from subreddits and lists them along with search volume. So here we go, this is the tool. All you need to do is enter your keyword and click Get Keywords. So I'll do that now. So I have typed in tea, and then we have some different subreddits here. So I'll click on the tea one and then click Get Keywords. And here we go. So now these are all keywords somewhat related to tea, and these are generated from different subreddits. And you have the search volume and also context, which will take you to where they are used on a subreddit within the Reddit platform. And then you can export them all by clicking export if you want to, or you can just scroll down and have a look at each of them. This is another handy tool for finding new keywords that you wouldn't have thought of, and it's also free to use, so that is fantastic. So this is the Reddit Keyword Research tool. And last but not least, we have Also Asked. This is an expanded version of Google's People Also Ask section. With this tool, you can take a deep dive into the questions asked related to your search term. Discover the questions people are asking. Get an understanding of how questions are topically grouped to inspire writers, inform content teams, and ensure you're satisfying users and reaching your SEO potential. So enter a search term or keyword at the top just here. I have simply typed in cycling. Enter your language and region and then click search. Give it a minute and you'll get questions that are searched on Google a lot based around the search term cycling. All of these branch off and you get even more questions based on the one before it. So this is a very helpful tool for content ideas based on questions people are searching into Google. You can save this as a CSV by clicking the button here, or as a PNG by clicking this button here. So what you will do when you save it as a PNG is simply get an image of this chart just here with all of the different questions. So if I want to click onto one of them like this, so I clicked on what are the disadvantages of cycling, you'll get more questions based around the disadvantages of cycling, and there you go. Why is cycling bad for you? Is cycling better than running? And loads more questions based around that. And once again, you can click on any of these to find more questions based around it. So this tool will definitely give you more content ideas for your website, specifically around questions. So this is alsoasked.com. Other great tools that you could use include Ahrefs, Moz, and also Google Trends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new from it. We'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.